Hey there everyone, it's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected. I'm here with Shereen from K2 to talk a little bit more about what they do. So tell me a little bit more about it.
So K2, we're not the mountain or the ski. We are a platform for automating business applications. And so we can do that in a low-code, drag-and-drop way. We have, design canvases where you can configure your workflows, forms generation tools where you can dynamically generate forms from a data layer, and then we report, audit, and track. So reporting and having that visibility to automate a process end-to-end is really where we focus. And, hand in glove integration to SharePoint, but we are not a SharePoint add-on like some of our competitors over here. Which really means we can overcome some of the limitations of that SharePoint host. We can, for example, we can have workflows and forms span across site collections, across farms. So if you have, hybrid solutions like a SharePoint on-prem and in the cloud, you're moving to the cloud, a single K2 server can really expand and connect the dots for your workflow and processes end to end. And so, things like our forms are HTML5 responsive design, so you can have them work on your mobile devices or your iPads, phones without any rework. You really can have, applications like that are mobile apps. It doesn't even have to touch SharePoint. And so you have, a form that collects data, persists it to a database and brings in information from other systems, and then you have an application that you can then reuse.
Do you feel that there's a specific problem that K2 is a solution for, or is there many?
So we are a platform, so there are many, but we do have a number of solution accelerators. So out of the box, you can actually it's almost a zero time to market, and some of those accelerators are typical solutions, things like contracts management. You can, onboard a contract all the way through to e-signature with DocuSign. It's all, again, plug and play. HR onboarding, things like capital expenditure approvals, expense reporting. Those are some of the horizontal solutions. We also work vertical kind of pieces like, eligibility for new members for an insurance company kind of thing. So, depth and breadth of applications.
Yeah. Do you have, what does your audience look like?
We work both with the business analyst crew, who actually are the process owners. So the SMEs that define the use cases can turn that around and automate it in our tool and make those processes live. And then there's a continuous improvement. So that's a key audience. IT folks that want to have, integration with their system data like SAP, surfacing it up into that form in that single view that a person can kind of do work. So those are from the design side, but then from a consumption story, pretty much anyone in the company. Executives that have to approve $1 million spend might get that email on their mobile phone and go, well, I need more information, or I need somebody else to review it. So all of that delegation and ad hoc kind of routing is supported with our tools.
And where could someone go if they wanted more information?
So K2.com is our website. You can actually do a try now or tour experience. You have videos. There are 3-minute videos, so you don't have to sit there and go, oh, I'm bored.
Kind of like a short buy-in.
And then there's also probably a demo/contact us.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you for having us.